Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the spotlight rating matches your supply. This prevents damage. Once you've verified voltage and polarity, turn off the circuit and strip about 1/2 inch of insulation. You should twist stranded wire and tin it with solder for a reliable join. Use insulated crimp connectors if soldering isn't practical. Make sure to slide heat shrink over the cable before final joins. Use a multimeter to confirm continuity, and that positive. Once done with the initial joins, secure every connection. Crimp, then solder if possible, and shrink tubing over each splice to prevent shorts. You'll mount the gun spotlight with its bracket, position it, mark holes, and tighten fasteners evenly so the housing sits flat. Route the cable through a rubber grommet or conduit to protect against abrasion. If this is outdoors, apply a bead of silicone where the housing meets the surface to keep water out and maintain longevity. You're ready to restore power and observe the spotlight. Energize the circuit while standing clear and confirm the lamp lights steadily. Once lit, adjust aim to the target and tighten the locking bolts while the fixture is on so you see real-world beam placement. Test for hot spots, flicker, and heat. If the light fails or blinks, immediately cut power, recheck polarity, inspect connectors for looseness or cold solder joints, and verify the driver's fuse or internal electronics before reapplying power.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.